to Jordan's Everyday DIY. I'm Melissa Jordan, and today I am going to show you how to get this eyeshadow look. It's a glam look for going out for Christmas Eve or New Year's Eve. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so today I'm going to show you a very simple eyeshadow look that is more of a glam look. It's one that you can use for Christmas Eve, New Year's Eve, or just a special date night out. These products are going to be super simple that I'm going to use. I have already put my base makeup on, and I'm going to go ahead and link below another video if you're interested in being color matched and trying our Lime Life by Alcone foundation and concealer that feels like skin. It gives you such great coverage, but today I just wanted to concentrate on this eye look. So I'm going to go ahead. This is the eyeshadow palette I'm going to be using, and I absolutely love this shadow. If you haven't used it yet, you need to try it. It really is so blendable, so pigmented. A little goes a long way. So first of all, I'm just starting off with our cream boat shade, and I'm putting that all over the lid. Now, normally for a look like this, because I'm going to be using black eyeshadow, I would do my base makeup after, but for the purpose of this video, I went ahead and did it first. So I may have to clean up just a little bit underneath the eye. We'll see how it goes. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, which is our number 34, a Corkable. And I'm gonna be using this fluffy brush. This is our number 10. And I'm just gonna go in to my crease. And what's really important here when you place your crease shadow is that you want to have your eye open, and you want to make sure, especially if you have a hooded lid, that you're going above your natural crease line, because then it's really going to show when you have your eyes open. And I am just place that product in the corner and then blending it out. Okay, once you get those two sides even, this is the part that I love with this look, because I feel like so often I hear a lot of people say that they just can't do a smoky eye, and this technique is really fail-proof. So I'm going to go in with our gel liner pencil. I love this because it's really creamy and it doesn't hurt when you put it on. We have these in all different colors, but I'm going to go in with the black. And you don't have to be too particular with this. I'm gonna go ahead and line the top, and then I'm going to bring this up more. Now, with these pencils, they are waterproof and they set pretty quickly. So I'm gonna go in with our number 7 brush, and it's more of a flat brush, and I love to use this for all over the lid. I'm just going to go in and start blending that black. And I just do this a little bit at a time so I don't get too much. I'm going to go up a little bit higher. You can see already it's really starting to give that dramatic look. gonna go in with a little bit smaller brush. You do want to be careful as you bring it up higher into your crease that you don't go too high with it. Alright, I'm just going to do a little bit more. Okay, now is when I'm going to go in with the black eyeshadow. I'm taking our number 20 brush. You want a really small brush for this. And tapping off the excess of the black. And now I'm just setting that on top of the liner. Now I'm going to do the other side. Now after I do that, I like to go back in with the transition shade and just kind of blend those two colors together. And I love this technique because you can switch up your transition shade. I've done like our blush hour color, which is so pretty. And then also I really love doing the emerald green on the bottom, and that would be so beautiful for the holidays as well. Okay, next I am going to put a little bit of mascara on, but I feel like for this glam look, it definitely calls for lashes. I'm going to go in with a little bit of liner before I put my lashes on. I love our Enduring Eyeliner Pencil. Really makes it easy. So I saved the inside corner to brighten. If you're somebody that likes to take the dark all the way over, go right ahead. But for me and for my eyes, I feel like they can look a little closed in. So I like to go in with our number 0 concealer, which is a brightener, and just place that with my finger right in the corner. You could just go back over that with the matte shadow that we used at the beginning, but I'm gonna go in with our number 1 Sweet Dreams. It is such a pretty shimmer. Again, I'm just using my finger for this. You could use a little brush if you wanted to. And then I'm gonna go a little bit extra and put our Heart of Gold highlighter on. This is so beautiful. It's a powder, but it's a real creamy powder. And it is absolutely gorgeous, especially for the holidays. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit here on my nose, and that's on my cheek. Okay, and wherever else you like to highlight, you can put that. All right, let's go underneath really quick. First, I'm gonna take our brow tamer brush and use this thin angled side and go into that brown. Okay, now I'm gonna dip into that black a little bit. And here I like to go up and connect that too, so it gives that smoky liner look. Okay, I'm gonna go put some lashes on. I'll be right back. Okay, now I'm just gonna finish it off with a pretty nude lip. You definitely could go Christmas red with this if that's your style. But when I have more of a dramatic eye, I like to do a nude lip. I'm using our #1 Dark Nude lip liner. And I like to darken in the corners just a little bit because that gives it some dimension. I'm going to go in with our #110 lipstick. Such a pretty nude color. You could just leave it like this, or if you want to add a little bit of sparkle, our Humble lip gloss is so pretty over any shade. And I'm just gonna pop it in the center. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, we would love for you to do so. Brett and I are really excited for this new year coming up. We have some new projects planned. We've taken a little bit of time off, but we are ready to get back into it. So we hope that you have a really blessed Christmas and New Year's, and we will see you in the new year.